A momentous event unfolded at Kasturba Gandhi Hospital, Chennai, as the government of Meghalaya and Tamil Nadu jointly organized a valedictory ceremony to honor the accomplishments of 29 doctors from Meghalaya. These medical officers have successfully completed an intensive 6-month specialized training in comprehensive emergency obstetrics care, ultrasonography and life-saving anesthetic skills. Facilitated through a memorandum of understanding between the two state governments, this collaborative initiative exemplifies the spirit of partnership and commitment to healthcare advancement. The event was graced by the presence of distinguished dignitaries including Thiru M.A. Subramanian, Health Minister of Tamil Nadu, and Dr. M. Ampreen Lingdo, Health Minister of Meghalaya. India will take on Malaysia in the final